Welcome to another exciting episode of Exploring Mechanical Engineering. I'm your host Suyash, and in today's episode, we're diving into a treasure trove of knowledge that's just a click away: the incredible world of Magic Mark's video lectures on mechanical engineering. Our journey begins with an introduction to Magic Marks, an online platform hosting a wealth of video lectures on mechanical engineering topics. From fundamentals to advanced concepts, this resource has it all. We'll explore how this platform can benefit both students and enthusiasts. Mechanical engineering is a vast field, and Magic Marks covers a wide array of topics. We'll take a closer look at the key subjects you can explore, including automobile engineering, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, manufacturing processes, materials and metallurgy, and more. Whether you are a student or a curious mind, these lectures have something to offer. One of the advantages of Magic Marks is the ability to learn at your own pace. We'll discuss how this flexibility can be a game changer for students with different learning styles and busy schedules. The rewind, pause, and replay buttons become your best friends. Whether you're new to mechanical engineering or a seasoned professional looking to expand your knowledge, Magic Marks has you covered. We'll explore how the platform caters to learners at various levels, from introductory videos that lay the foundation to advanced lessons that push the boundaries. Join us as we delve into success stories and testimonials from learners who've benefited from Magic Marks. Real-world examples of how these lectures have helped students grasp complex concepts and excel in their academic and professional pursuits. As with any online resource, knowing how to navigate the platform efficiently can enhance your learning experience. We'll share some tips and tricks to make the most of Magic Marks, helping you easily find the lectures you need. And there you have it, a sneak peek into the world of Magic Marks and its treasure trove of mechanical engineering video lectures. Whether you are a student striving for excellence or an enthusiast hungry for knowledge, these lectures are bound to ignite your passion for the field. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Exploring Mechanical Engineering. Be sure to check out Magic Marks and unlock the power of learning through these captivating video lectures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of mechanical engineering.